Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
We have a question here. Since there are three variables, we have to go with the Venn diagram. Now, can you tell me which of the two formulae would be most suitable for this question? Notice, okay, all right. Very nice. Why second one? Exactly two, right? And notice exactly two is this. Exactly two. Okay. Now, how many of the subjects experienced only one? Only one. Can someone tell me what do we have to find out? What is only one? Only one would mean small a plus small b plus small c. This is what we have to find out in this question. Agreed? This is only one, right? This is only one. Similarly, only one and only one. So we have to find out the value of small a plus small b plus small c in this particular question. Correct? Okay. Now, again, for this question, tell me what's the value of none?
0.
0. Very nice. How do you know it's 0?
Because it says at least 1.
Very nice. All the subjects experienced at least one of these effects. So which means there was 0 subject who experienced none of these. So that is 0. Right? Okay. Fair enough. Now think about this. Think about this. We know all of them, right? Total is 300, right? Total is 300, correct? So we know this entire shaded area, right? We know, so we have to find out the value of a plus b plus c here. We know the entire shaded area is 300 subjects. Total is 300, right? Now, how do we find out the value of small a plus small b plus small c? Think about it. From the entire shaded area, if we subtract exactly 2 and we further subtract all the 3, we are left with this. Are you with me, guys? We had to find out the value of this. So I am saying that from the entire shaded area, which is basically 300 subjects, from the entire shaded area, if we subtract exactly 2 and further subtract all the 3, we are left with small a plus small b plus small c. Now, exactly 2, we already know. How much is exactly 2? 35% experience exactly 2, right? So we already know exactly 2. So what is the only thing we have to find out? All the 3, right? And how do we find out all the 3? Using this formula. So total is obviously, so what we can do is right now calculate everything in terms of percentage, right? So 100% would be capital A is 40%, capital B is 30, capital C is 75, minus sum of exactly 2 is given as 35, minus 2 times all the 3, and neither is obviously 0. So from this, we find out the value of X, which is 5%. Now I think this is easy. Now this is easy. From the entire shaded area, which is basically 100%, what do we subtract? Exactly 2. Does anyone remember how much is exactly 2? 35. Very nice. From the entire shaded area, we first subtract exactly 2, and then we subtract what? All the 3. We've already found out how much is all the 3. 5. So we subtract, sorry, I mean basically this, right? We subtract all the 3. So how much are we left with? 60. So 60% experienced exactly 1. Right? So total minus subjects with exactly 2 minus subjects with all the 3. So 60%. And 60% of 300 is obviously 180. So that's the answer. Any doubt, guys? Any